How to block and unblock friends in Snapchat. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to block and unblock friends on Snapchat. So now without further ado, let's get started. So here, first thing first, open the Snapchat app on your phone and make sure that you are logged in to your account. And now here, once you're inside the app, just tap on the profile icon shown in the top left corner of the screen. And now here, once you are in the profile section, simply scroll down and tap on My Friends option. And now here in this section, you'll be able to see the list of your friends. So here, simply find the friend that you want to block, and after that, you can just press and hold on the username. And here from the pop-up menu, you can just tap on Manage Friendship, and after that, you can simply select Block and confirm. And once blocked, they will no longer be able to send you snaps or messages. And here, with that, to unblock someone on Snapchat, what you have to do is simply go back to your profile page, and from here, you simply have to tap on the gear icon, which can be seen in the top right corner of the screen. And now here, once you are inside the settings section, simply scroll down and there you'll be able to see the option labeled as blocked users. So simply tap on it. And now here in this section, simply find the person that you want to unblock, and after that, you can just tap on X next to their name. And once you do that, the person will be unblocked. But remember, after unblocking, you may need to send them a friend request again if you want to chat or share snaps with them. And that's it. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.